In this video we will perform a print merge to create certificates. As we have blank certificates to print over, we first remove everything apart from the text we will be printing. We then make the text solid black. Next we save our Excel file as a comma-separated CSV. The first row of the file is a header row with the column names. We then select Print Merge from the File menu and import the CSV file we created. Next we save the data source, and to check they are correct we view a single record. When we click Finish, the Print Merge Docker is shown with the column header names shown. To make the merge fields, we delete the child's name on the certificate and replace it with the child name from the Print Merge Docker. Repeat this for the other fields. Click Merge to New Document. The new document that is created has one page for each certificate text. We check the new document and adjust the text size to make sure the text will fit.